Hello, dear friends. Myself, Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bhukardan, District Jalna. Today we will see General Electronics, course code number PHY 205, paper number 11, semester 4. Now see some numerical. First, a transistor has a collector current of 10 milliampere and base current of 10 microampere. What is the current gain of the transistor? Current gain equal to IC upon IB, that is equal to 10 milliampere upon 10 microampere, that is equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere upon 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 ampere, that is equal to 1000, that is current gain. Next, that is a transistor has a current gain of 200 if the base current is 0.1 milliampere. What is the collector current? Current gain equal to IC upon IB. So that is current gain is here 200, that is equal to IC upon IB, that is 0.1 milliampere. So IC equal to 200 into 0.1 milliampere, that is equal to 20 milliampere. A transistor is connected in a common base configuration. Find the values IC and IB if A equal to 0.95 and I equal to 1 milliampere. So IC equal to A into I, that is equal to 0.95 into 1, that is equal to 0.95 milliampere, and IB equal to 1 minus 0.95 equal to 0.005 milliampere. Now see, calculate I in a transistor for which B equal to 50 and IB equal to 20 milliampere. So B equal to 50 and IB equal to 20 milliampere, that is equal to 0.02 ampere. Now B equal to IC upon IB. So IC equal to B into IB, that is B is 50 into 0.02, so that is equal to 1 ampere, and using I equal to IB plus IC, so I equal to zero point zero 0.02 plus 1, that is equal to 1.02 ampere. A transistor connected in common emitter configuration has collector supply 7 volt here and voltage drop across resistor RC connected in collector circuit 0.5 volt. The value of RC is 700 ohm. If A equal to 0.96, determine collector emitter voltage, base current. So the required circuit is shown in figure. A transistor is connected a common emitter configuration. See in figure, the transistor is connected here in common emitter configuration. So here, that is VCC is given, that is 7 volt, RC equal to 700 ohm, and collector IC here, and here collector emitter voltage VCE, that is equal to VCC minus 0.5, so that is equal to 7 minus 0.5 equal to 6.5 volt, that is VCE, voltage between collector and emitter. Voltage drop across RC equal to 700 ohm is 0.5 volt. So IC equal to 0.5 U upon 700, that is equal to 5 upon 7 milliampere, that is equal to 0.714 milliampere. And beta equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha, that is equal to alpha is here 0.96 upon 1 minus 0.96 equal to 24. Base current IB equal to IC upon beta, that is equal to 0.714 upon 24, that is equal to 0.03 milliampere. In the common base connection, I equal to 1 milliampere, IC equal to 0.95 milliampere. Calculate the value of IB. So IE is here 1, that is equal to IB plus 0.95. So IB equal to 1 minus 0.95, that is IB equal to 0.905 milliampere. Next example, that is in the common base connection, current amplification factor is zero point 0.9 if the emitter current is 1 milliampere. Determine the value of base current. Now here alpha equal to 0.9 and I equal to 1 milliampere, that is emitter current. So alpha equal to IC upon IE. So IC equal to alpha into IE. So IC equal to 0.9 into 1, that is equal to 0.9 milliampere. And I equal to IB plus IC. So IB equal to IE minus IC, that is equal to 1 minus 0.9 equal to 0.1 milliampere. In a transistor circuit, collector load is 4 kilo ohm, whereas quiescent current 0 signal collector current is 1 milliampere. What is the operating point if VCC equal to 10 volt? What will be the operating point if RC equal to 5k ohm? So solution for this problem, VCC equal to 10 volt and RC equal to 5 kilo ohm. Now see, when collector load is 4 kilo ohm, then VCE equal to VCC minus ICRC equal to 10 minus 1 milliampere into 4 kilo ohm, that is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6 volt. Operating point is 6 volt, 1 milliampere. When collector load is RC equal to 5 kilo ohm, then VCE equal to VCC minus ICRC. So equal to 10 minus 1 milliampere into 5 kilo ohm, that is equal to 10 minus 5, that is 5 volt. So operating point is 5 volt 1 milliampere. Next example, that is a charge of 200 millivolt in base emitter voltage causes a charge of 100 microampere in the base current, find the input resistance if transistor. So change in base emitter voltage is delta VBE equal to 200 millivolt. Change in base current is delta IB equal to 100 microampere. So Ri equal to delta VBE upon delta IB, that is equal to 200 millivolt upon 100 microampere, that is equal to 2 kilo ohm. Now if the collector current changes from 2 milliampere to 3 milliampere in a transistor, when collector emitter voltage is increased from 2 volt to 10 volt, what is the output resistance? Change in collector emitter voltage is delta VCE equal to 10 minus 2, that is 8 volt. Change in collector current is delta IC equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 milliampere. So output resistance R0 equal to delta VCE upon delta IC equal to 8 volt upon 1 milliampere, that is equal to 8 kilo ohm. For a single stage transistor amplifier, the collector load is RC equal to 2 kilo ohm and the input resistance Ri equal to 1 kilo ohm. If the current gain is 50, calculate the voltage gain of the amplifier. Solution. Now here given quantity, that is collector load is RC equal to 2 kilo ohm. Input resistance is Ri equal to 1 kilo ohm. Current gain beta equal to 50. Voltage gain is AV equal to beta into RAC upon Ri, that is equal to beta into RC upon Ri. So putting the value of beta RC upon Ri, we get voltage gain equal to 50 into 2 upon 1, that is equal to 100. Now next example, a JFET has the following parameters: IDS equal to 32 milliampere, VGS of equal to minus 8 volt and VGS equal to minus 4 volt. Find the value of drain current. So ID equal to IDS into 1 minus VGS upon VGS of bracket square. So ID equal to 32 into 1 minus minus 4.5 upon minus 8 bracket square milliampere. After simplification, ID equal to 6.12 milliampere. A JFET has the drain current of 5 milliampere. If IDS equal to 10 milliampere and VGS of equal to minus 6 volt, find the value of VGS and VP. So ID equal to IDS into 1 minus VGS upon VGS of bracket square. So 5 equal to 10 into 1 plus VGS upon VGS of bracket square. So I plus VGS upon 6 equal to under root of 5 upon 10 equal to 0.707. Therefore VGS equal to minus 176 volt and Vp equal to minus VGS of, that is equal to 6 volt. For a certain D MOSFET, IDS equal to 10 milliampere and VGS of equal to minus 8 volt. Is this an N channel or a P channel? Calculate ID at VGS equal to minus 4 volt. Calculate ID at VGS equal to plus 4 volt. The device has a negative VGS of, therefore it is V channel D MOSFET. ID equal to IDS into 1 minus VGS upon VGS of bracket square. So ID equal to 10 into 1 minus minus 4 upon minus 8 bracket square. So ID equal to 2.5 milliampere. ID equal to IDS into 1 minus VGS upon VGS of bracket square. So ID equal to 10 into 1 minus 4 minus 8 bracket square. So ID equal to 15 milliampere. The data sheet for an eMOSFET gives ID on equal to 500 milliampere at VGS equal to 10 volt and VGS threshold equal to 1 volt. Determine the drain current for VGS equal to 5 volt. So here VGS on equal to 10 volt. ID equal to K into VGS minus VGS threshold bracket square. So K equal to ID on upon VGS minus VGS threshold bracket square equal to, so putting value here, ID equal to 500 milliampere, VGS is 10 volt minus 1 volt. So after division we get 6.117 milliampere per V square. Now calculate IE in a transistor for which beta equal to 50 and IB equal to 20 microampere. So here beta equal to 50, IB equal to 20 microampere, that is equal to 0.02 milliampere. So beta equal to IC upon IB. Here IC equal to beta into IB, that is equal to 50 into 0.02 equal to 1 milliampere. So using the relation IE equal to IB plus IC, that is equal to 0.002 plus 1 equal to 1.02 milliampere. Now next example, that is find the alpha rating of the transistor shown in figure. Hence determine the value of IC using both alpha and beta rating of the transistor. So in figure here, as shown in figure, the condition of the problem, alpha equal to beta upon 1 plus beta equal to 49 upon 1 plus 49, that is equal to 0.98. The value of IC can be found by using either alpha or beta rating as under. IC equal to alpha IE, that is equal to 0.98 into 12 milliampere equal to 11.76 milliampere. Also IC equal to beta IB, that is equal to 49 into 240 microampere, that is equal to 11.76 milliampere. Next example, that is a transistor is connected in common emitter configuration C, in which collector supply is C. Here that is a common emitter configuration. Here collector supply is 8 volt and the voltage drop across resistor RC connected in the collector circuit is 0.5 volt. The value of RC equal to 800 ohm, alpha equal to 0.96. Determine collector emitter voltage, base current. Figure shows the required common emitter connection with various values, that is collector emitter voltage. VCE equal to VCC minus zero point 0.5, that is equal to 8 minus zero point 0.5, that is equal to 7.5 volt. And the voltage drop across RC, that is equal to 800 ohm is 0.5 volt. Therefore, IC equal to 0.5 volt upon 800 ohm, that is equal to 5 upon 8 milliampere, that is equal to 0.625 milliampere. Now, in that figure, the transistor is connected in common emitter configuration here. So, beta equal to here alpha upon 1 minus alpha, that is equal to 0.96 upon 1 minus 0.96 equal to 24, and base current IB equal to IC upon beta, that is 0.625 upon 24, that is equal to 0.026 milliampere. Thank you.